In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable sending messages by using Enter key on your keyboard. So by default, ClickUp is set to send a message whenever you just press Enter key on your keyboard. However, sometimes we want to use this to go to the next line. All you need to do is to go ahead and enable or disable this in your ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so what you need to do is to go to your ClickUp account workspace here and then click on settings. And now under settings, scroll down until you see my settings under your account name. Now from this, head down until you see preferences. And under this, you can see we have this option, don't post comment with enter. Use control plus enter to send comments instead of just enter. So you can go ahead and toggle on this or toggle off this depending on what you want. And once you have applied your change, you can go ahead and click on save changes and this will be applied. So that's how you can do this in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.